Hi there, and welcome back. In this video I want to show you a little update to my SketchUp News extension that basically lets you keep an eye on everything in the SketchUp world right inside SketchUp. Don't have to go outside of your modeling environment. It is installed as an extension under Help, SketchUp News right there. But there's a few other ways you can install that now, and I'll show you that in just a second. Don't forget to check out my book Architectural Design with SketchUp. It covers all of these topics and makes for a great desk reference. You can find it where books are sold. There's also a link to it on my site sketchupfordesign.com, together with lots of additional tutorials and news. Okay, let's get going. So SketchUp News shows you blog posts and videos, as you can see here. All of the most recent ones are shown right here. There's a list, there's a live list, so whoever produces things ends up in this list, of course. And then it also shows you the forum discussions from both the SketchUp forums as well as the Sketchucation forums right there. And if you want to follow up on one of those, you just click it and it takes you right to their website, and you can read up on whatever they had to say. So it's really useful for that. Social media right now relies on X because there's a feed plugin, or basically a solution for that. That might change in the future, but anyways, I'll keep an eye on what works and what doesn't work on that one. But it is right here in SketchUp as long as you install it as an extension. And you do that right from the extension warehouse. I'm just going to show you right here outside in the browser window how that looks like. Go to the extension warehouse in SketchUp, search for news, and then you get this SketchUp News Viewer, and you can just install it right from there. And then, like I showed you earlier, it shows up as a menu item under the Help menu, SketchUp News right here. And it's just a window that opens and you can read, and then of course click it away when you're done with it. There's a little refresh button up here too, but other than that, pretty self-explanatory functionality. What I wanted to show you today as well was that there's other ways you can use this. So one of those is my website. If I go to sketchupfordesign.com right here, you can see that on the top there's a news viewer item, and you can then basically have a view of that viewer right here, right in the on the page, and you can browse it that way. That's another way you can do it. A third one is you can actually install it now as a it's called a progressive web app, but it's basically as a website on your computer. It's very easy to do. Once you're on the sketchupfordesign.com, SketchUp News page, there's a link down here where it says follow this link, and this actually takes you to the raw view of what this extension also displays right here, and that's at this URL, but you don't have to worry about the URL as much. Now what you can do from here is you can install it on your computer, and your browser will most probably prompt you up here to do that. Mine doesn't do it because I already installed it. If it doesn't prompt you, you can go into the settings, save and share, and then there is a menu item there that lets you install this to your desktop. And then let me show you how this looks like. There it is right here. There's my installed web app, and I can now use it like any other application on my desktop, where it opens up the same browser window. No added functionality, but it's convenient, of course, to have it on your desktop. So there's all of these options that you can use to stay abreast of what happens in the SketchUp world, and feel free to use whichever one works for you. Let me know if you have any comments on this, or if you have any requests, or actually if your blog is not shown, I'm happy to include it. And other than that, happy news reading.